I walked down the hallway slowly. Each step echoed through the house, and my suitcase rolled behind me like a quiet companion. The house felt different, quieter, older. I opened the door to my old room, empty. The bed was gone, the bolsters were taken down, but the sunlight still came in the same way, soft and golden. I stood there, in silence, and suddenly the memories returned. There, on the wall, I could still see the faint outline of my old bookshelf. That corner, it used to hold my beanbag and guitar. I smiled, remembering how I used to strum badly and sing too loud. I ran my hand along the windowsill, scratched, chipped, just like before. I remembered the nights I cried here, the mornings I didn't want to wake up, and the times I laughed so hard with my friends we nearly fell off the bed. The room was empty, but it wasn't. It was full of echoes, echoes of a younger me, of sleepovers, secrets, and dreams whispered into the night. There was a time I wanted to leave this room so badly, to grow up, to be free. And now, all I want is to sit here just one more time, as that teenager with messy hair and wild hopes. I closed the window, picked up my suitcase, and gave the room one last look. "Thank you," I whispered, "because even though it's empty now, that room will always hold a piece of me." Echo, a sound reflecting back, also used for memories. Faint outline, a light mark or shape left behind. Chipped, damaged or broken on the edge. Strum, to play a guitar lightly. Whisper, to speak very quietly. Suitcase, a bag for travel. Messy hair, hair that's not neat, often symbolic of youth. Beanbag, a soft, cushion-like seat. Sleepover, a night spent at a friend's home, especially as kids.